up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna draw ice cream, and it is National Day. Happy National Day. Okay, so I'm gonna change my color to black because you cannot use black now. So let's start with the simple one, maybe the small one. I'm just gonna zoom in, and then maybe like this, and then maybe like this. Look, one really dripping. Okay, now that is so yummy. Ooh, I wanna eat that ice cream after this. Okay, so then let's take this with the other thing and then keep on. And now one big. Oh, that looks so juicy. Maybe that is a bit too big. Oh, but I did it okay. Now, I think I have to do like this. Okay, better do it properly. And then maybe like this. Okay, can. Then let's draw like this cone here. Then of course we need to draw this. Okay, and then let's draw it like this. Okay, and then wait, just do like this. Okay, now let's do the other one. This is just a simple one. I haven't done simple ice creams, but I will do it because I love ice cream. And this one, don't forget to smile. This one is like eee. And maybe the ice cream is during. Let's do like this. Winky face. I think I would like a winky face. Okay. That was so much fun. And then let's add the, oh, cannot forget the, what do you call, whipped cream. It's so yummy. Let's just do it like this. And then like this. Oh, now that's much better. I can put it. It's like a small little head or hair for the first scoop of it. Okay, guys. So thank you guys for watching my channel. This is the end of the video. So if you wanna check out more of my videos, just go to Quilted Cake with Galaxy Pen Drawings, and you can find me there. Bye. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!